pencil project helped us a lot because our learners don't have stationery, so it has helped us. They bring it back after using it. Then I put it in my boat and then I travel with it, and then I bring it back to them. It is a very good project. We thank EduPac very much.